Momshies! Blessed morning everyone! Welcome to my channel, and for today's video, isasama ko po kayo sa aming Baler trip. Yes, hindi po muna about plans ang ating i-vlog for today. Samahan niyo po muna ako at mamamasyal tayo dito sa napakagandang probinsya ng Baler, Aurora. So if you're interested po kung saan-saan kami nagpunta at namasyal at nag-swimming, ang daming falls, beach, mountain, everything ako. Super excited ako na isama kayo dito sa aming Baler trip. So, yun na po. Welcome to Baler! Yay! We are here in Quezon, Baler, Aurora with the family. Ayan. It's raining here in Baler. Pero okay lang yan mga moms. Tayo ay mag-e-enjoy pa din. Ayan. So, doon tayo pupunta sa Museo de Baler. This is the famous monument of Manuel L. Quezon. Ayan. So, pag nandito kayo sa Baler, hindi pwedeng hindi magpa-picture kay Manuel L. Quezon. And there's the Museo de Baler. That's our first stop. So, dapat alam natin ang history ng Baler. Diba? So, ayan. Let's go inside. Ayan ang mga kids. Pero, I think bawal mag-video sa loob. So I will just take pictures and show it to all of you. Let's enjoy the history of Baler. The house of Aurora Quezon. Ayan, the kubo. So, ayan siya sa loob. It's the house of Aurora Quezon. In Baler Church. Ayan. This is a historical place, so let's go inside and check it out. And of course, we need to pray. Tuna and pork pinag-ongan. Yay! Happy eating! Nice! Okay, so we're here. Ayan, you have to get your temperature and log there. Ayan, it's so nice, the view. I am super enjoying our stay here. Ayan, it's so nice. I highly recommend na you visit Baler. Grabe. Ang daming places na pwedeng puntahan. Oh my gosh! It's all worth the travel, mga moms. Look at the view. Ayan, ang daming rocks. Ayan, daming pwedeng pang-aura. Nako, abangan ng mga pictures ko. Follow me sa aking Instagram. Ayan, Ma'am Shiar yan. So, look, ayan po yung lalakaran natin. And hopefully ayun yung aking asawa. So, hopefully, makaakyat tayo dun sa tuktok. So, let's see. Kasi tayo ay may mga kasamang chikiting na nandun pa. Ayan. Nandyan pa sila. Ayan, they're still playing and enjoying the sand and the water. The water here is cold. Pero once na nasa tubig na po kayo, hindi na po siya malamig. So, ayan. I think, I recommend this place na mas maganda morning pa lang nandito na kayo para sulit. Alam nyo yun, nasulit yung biyahe papunta dito. Another spot here. Ganda. There's the cave. Ayan. Doon tayo galing kanina. So nice. So nice there, oh. Saan po kayo mga moms? Ayan. Look at the view. Oh my gosh. Ayan, ganito yung lalakaran nyo. Puro mga tawag-tawag. Ayan, ganyan siya. So nice. Ayan. Next stop is the Dinagat Falls. Ito nga ba yun? Huh? Ayan. Wow. I think hindi ito yun. Here na. Ito na yung Dinagat Falls. There. Ganda, mga gosh.
Ayan, Han. Doon na lang kuya, oh. Tapos kaya kita kuha ng iconic na doon sa gandang gitna.
Yeah.
Dito.
This is our room. Let's go inside. The famous mermaid blanket. This is our room. It's so clean. So nice. Yeah. Okay, quick tour lang. So, refresh. This is the shower. There. And this is really. I want to make sure it's clean. And there you go. Have dinner here. Ayan. So this is our food. Pancit. And we also have what's this, Jack? Squid. Squid. Also have there, pampano. Pampano. Yan ang ating kasama. Happy eating. This is their restaurant. There's the pool. And it's raining now. Sarap sana mag-chill dito.